Welcome to Unlocking Your Desires, Mastering the Law of Attraction for Manifestation. In this video, we'll explore how to use the law of attraction to get whatever you want. The law of attraction is based on the principle that like attracts like. So, if you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you'll attract positive experiences and outcomes into your life. The first step is to clarify your desires. What do you truly want? Take some time to visualize your goals and dreams. Picture yourself already living the life you desire. Next, write down your goals in a clear and specific manner. The more detailed, the better. This helps send a clear message to the universe about what you want. Now, here's the key: gratitude. Practice gratitude every day for what you already have. Gratitude opens the door for more abundance to flow into your life. Alongside gratitude, take inspired action towards your goals. Universe rewards those who take action towards their dreams. Start making small steps in the direction of your desires. Visualize your goals as already achieved. Feel the excitement and happiness associated with accomplishing them. The more intense your emotions, the stronger the attraction. Speak your desires into existence. Use positive affirmations to reprogram your mindset. Say your goals out loud with conviction and belief. The universe is always listening. Finally, surrender and let go. Trust that the universe will deliver what's meant for you. Release any doubts or worries, and have faith that your desires are manifesting. Congratulations! You've successfully tapped into the power of the law of attraction. Remember, you have the ability to attract whatever you want into your life. Believe it, feel it, and let it unfold. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and manifestation.